Hello everyone, this is Rahul, your friendly neighborhood business analyst from Gartner. My journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride filled with intriguing challenges and thrill adventures. In 2015, I enrolled at Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology, pursuing a bachelor's in computer science engineering. College life was a blast. I was the ultimate jack of all trades, from participating in myriad of events to rocking the stage in college fest. I soaked up every experience like a sponge. I graduated in 2019 and I moved on to work with Tata Consultancy Services at their Kochi office, where I got an opportunity to work on complex topics like automating loan approval process with the help of predictive analytics and image processing. I've been working with Gartner from past 1.5 years. My journey at Gartner has been whirlwind of exciting projects, from automating processes to extracting quality insights from mountains of data. It has been a true data-driven expedition. Two of the most important projects were by automating a previously labor-intensive task of contract value migration, we successfully reduced the time taken by associates by approximately 83%. And secondly, calculating which clients have the highest risk of churn upon their renewal. When I'm not conquering the world of data and insights, you will find me strumming my ukulele, capturing breathtaking moments through my lens, and getting lost in the world of Rubik's Cube and chess. And if you don't find me doing any of these activities, I would be literally surfing in the vast ocean of data on the internet. My dreams go beyond the realms of business and data. I aspire to create a social impact through my work. I believe each action, no matter how small, can lead to something extraordinary. So join me in this adventure as I embark on my journey with Mesa School of Business. Together, let's paint the canvas of innovation, curiosity, and change.